Yeah.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Ajnath, good morning.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
Good. Thanks.
సార్ నా వాయిస్ వస్తుందా సార్?
వస్తుందా?
ఓకే సార్. బెంగళూరుకి వెళ్ళిపోయారా సార్?
లేదు, ప్రోగ్రామ్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయింది. ఈరోజు బయలుదేరుతాను.
ఓకే ఓకే. అంటే అక్కడే ఉంటారా సార్?
అంతేనా?
అక్కడే ఉంటారా సార్ బెంగళూరులో?
బెంగళూరు ఉంటాను.
ఓకే ఓకే.
పెండింగ్ ఒక్క నిమిషం. మనం ఫర్ ఈచ్ లూప్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో.
అవును.
నిన్న మిస్ అయింది.
అవును.
నేను 18 కాల్ చేయాల్సింది లేట్ గా చేసిన. నేను 7:03 కన్నా ఇంకా లేదు, 98 కనుకున్న అలాగే ఉన్నాను.
చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, మీరు ఊరికి వెళ్తాను అంటున్నారు కదా, ఎందుకు మీరు డౌట్తో చేయాలి.
Just a minute.
Yes.
అంటే చూడవాల నీ ఎస్ఎస్ఎస్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా?
సార్
నీ ఎస్ఎస్ఎస్ వర్క్ అవుతుందా?
అది సిస్టమ్ కొంచెం అప్డేట్ అడుగుతుంది సార్.
నాదేమో ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు.
ఒక చూసా సార్, ఒక 5 మినిట్స్ అట్లా అది
ఒకసారి చూడు, అయితే నీ దాంట్లో చూద్దాం ఈరోజు.
అది తిరుగుతుంది, అందుకు నేను అదే మొబైల్లో కనెక్ట్.
లేదంటే మళ్ళీ నేను నా ఆఫీస్ సిస్టంలోకి రిమోట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది, కొంచెం రిస్క్ అందుకు.
ఓకే ఓకే, చూసుకుంటాం. 5 మినిట్స్.
హలో
సార్. ఓకే సార్. హలో సార్.
హలో
సార్.
వినిపిస్తుంది జనాథ్?
లేదు సార్.
ఏమైంది?
ఇది షేర్ చేయనా సార్?
సరే,
అంటే నాది వర్క్ అవుతుంది.
వర్క్ అవుతుందా? షేర్ చేయి.
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయాలా, లేదా అది కంట్రోల్ ఇవ్వాలి సార్?
స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేసి కంట్రోల్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేకపోతే నువ్వే చేస్తా అంటే నువ్వే చేయి, నేను చెప్తాను.
Okay. Okay. మీకు వచ్చిందా సార్ అది?
ప్యాకేజ్ అది నీ సొల్యూషన్ అది ఓపెన్ చేయండి ప్రాజెక్ట్.
కంట్రోల్ మీకు వచ్చిందా సార్ అది?
కంట్రోల్ రాలేదు ఇంకా.
ఇప్పుడు సార్
ఓపెన్ న్యూ ప్యాకేజ్. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది. నువ్వు చేయి, నేను చెప్తాను. ఓపెన్ న్యూ ప్యాకేజ్. నేను కూడా ట్రై చేస్తాను, నాదా ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. So today we will discuss about the pending tasks and we'll finish this. Go to common tasks. We will talk about system tasks, file system task. Yeah. File system, the next one. Yeah. Not FTP task, file system task. Just open it, double click it. So this file system tasks will be used to work on your local directory. If you want to create a new file, or if you want to create any directory or delete any directory, or if you want to copy the files from one location to another location, or if you want to move files from one location, one folder to another folder. Okay. On your local directory, so we can make use of this system task. Okay. So today now on this file system task, you will see how to create a folder for this first. Okay.
Okay.
And we'll copy some files or we'll try to move some files over. Okay. Let's see. So once you're in file system task creator, so you see something called operation there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, click open operation, and near the copy file, you will get a drop down list. So here you'll be having different options.
Yeah. Create
copy file, copy directory, create directory, delete file, move directory, move file.
set
Okay.
attributes.
So you will have different items. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Based on our requirement, we can choose it. Okay. Now
Yeah.
click on create directory. Okay. So under the, after the operation, you have this source connection, right?
Yes, sir.
You just set it to, so just set it to true. So what it is asking is, so are you going to use the path? Where we should create the folder, right? That path, whether that path comes from a variable or you are directly giving it. So if that path is coming through a variable, we have to keep it as a true.
Set is true.
Okay. If that path if we are giving directly, so just keep it as false. Okay.
Okay.
So now in our case, we are trying to pass the source path through a variable.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? Yeah. Just click on the drop down list, source variable. We don't have any variable right now, so we'll just create a new one. Just click on new variable. No, there itself. You'll have an option. See the first one, yeah, new variable. Change the package name.
Just a moment, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. This is, hello.
Doubts?
No,
Any
sir.
doubts
Okay.
here?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Just change the variable name. To
Here
maybe
we need to rename or
no, in the variable itself, you change the name.
okay. Uh,
See, the container you cannot change there because we are in.
mm,
So it is asking in which container this variable should be. So let's say
yeah.
you have some 3-4 containers. Okay. So one is sequence
Mhm.
container, or I mean two sequence containers, one for each loop container and one for loop container. Okay.
Mm,
So you will get some options there
okay.
under which thing you have under which thing you want to create this variable. So when
Okay.
you create a variable under one such container, that variable will only work in that particular container. Okay.
Okay.
It will not move, it will not work in other containers. So that's the reason we don't choose containers. We just confine that to a whole package. Okay.
Okay.
We confine it to a whole package.
Okay.
In the whole package, anywhere we can use a variable. In such a way, we'll configure that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cancel this. New dir. Okay. Copy a path. Any path from your local. Keep it as a string. Copy some path.
Value here.
Yeah, we have to give the value. So copy some path from your file explorer.
Okay.
Copy some path.
Here only we can.
You can use it here, right? Yeah. So just click on the address bar there. The address bar, just click there. Yeah. Just click that. No need to copy address. Just click. Yeah. Copy it now.
This one, no?
Yeah. Just copy that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, paste it there. And give the uh, new folder name. You might give it as just give it as Unit.
Okay. Cannot read only. It means
Yeah. Yeah,
no need
just click
to.
on OK. Yeah. No need to make it read only. So what happens in the read only is now
Here unable to
enable to cache the object.
name.
Cannot-
Yes.
No, just try to change the name of the variable there. Just give dir path.
Which one's are this? Huh?
No, variable name.
Uh,
dir path. Dir path.
Continuously or we need to give a
No,
space?
no, just delete everything and keep dir path. Just click on OK. Not create a variable with remain as namespace user unable to cast type object. But
Teresa.
in cast is reduced to type. Right. Did you select any container option there? Just close it. Just close this and add a new variable. Cancel this. Add a source variable there. Don't select that package. Yeah. Just click on new. Change the variable name.
Yeah, it was created.
Yeah, just let it be. So this is our source variable, and we have given the new folder name also there. Okay.
Yeah.
So in the E drive, we don't have the existing. So where is that?
In E-drive only.
Yeah.
Not
Okay,
created
just
yet,
click
no,
on
sir?
OK.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, just click on OK.
Okay.
Now execute this.
Yeah.
Check the E drive.
It's created.
So we have a new folder, new directory created there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now let's try to copy some files. Do you have any CSV files anywhere?
Yes. I have a text file.
Anything. Just copy the location. I mean, a particular, click on a particular CSV file.
Yeah, here it is.
Yes, click shift, hold
Sir?
shift and right click, hold shift and right click.
Yes.
Just copy as path. Yeah. Now we go to SSIS. And yeah, stop the debugging here. You create a new package. I mean, take new file system task editor. Just configure it. Double click. So here what we are trying to do is, so we are trying to copy a file from one location to another location.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So in the connection, so you have to, in the command, you have to select the copy files there first.
Here, this one, no?
Yes.
Copy file only.
Operation, yeah. Copy file.
There
So
we have selected a created new one. No?
yes. Create directory we have selected. Here we have selected copy files.
Yeah.
Okay. So and we are trying to pass the source through variable itself. Just make it a true. Okay. And copy that file path here. Sorry. Yeah. We are trying to create a variable. Yeah. Just create a new variable. Rename it to source file path. source file. Let's keep testing and copy this. No. Okay. Cancel this. I have already without value. You have created a value.
Yeah.
Just cancel this. Yeah. Go to variables. What are you trying? What are you trying to do here?
Here we're copying. Huh?
No, no. Already you have created a variable, right?
Yes, sir.
So what are you trying to do now?
Copying the file from
So why are you
source.
creating new variable? So you have already created a variable, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
You didn't give the value for that.
Okay.
Just cancel this. Go to variables.
Here is that variable, na,
You
sir?
don't have variable. You didn't
Yes, sir.
create that.
Yeah,
Where
we
is the
have
variable
created
you have created?
here
This is the variable from the
from
other.
source, I think.
Yeah, from the about task it is.
Yes, sir.
Is it not created?
Yeah, it's created.
Okay, fine. So we have clicked cancel, right? It may have got cancelled.
Hmm.
You can create a variable here itself. Okay, create a variable here. Change the name. Now give a clear name, like source file path.
Okay.
I mean, always try to give some meaningful name to every task. I mean, be it a task name or variable name. Okay, or the packaging. Just try to give some meaningful name.
Should we put it with string or
Yeah,
integer?
make it a string.
Value?
Just copy, paste the copied value here.
It's
Just remove the quotes. Okay. So it has some space, right? You do one thing, just delete all these things, delete the value, the whole value.
okay.
Just take the control, just a minute.
Okay.
Here's the file, right?
Yeah.
So if the file name has some spaces, sometimes might create an issue.
Okay.
So just because we know it is better to remove any extra spaces there. Okay.
Okay.
So here we are trying to give the destination path. Okay. Getting copied. C drive, right? C drive users. Where is it? The file.
Which one, sir?
The
Source
CSV
file.
file.
Yeah. Back, sir. Back. Come back.
Here itself it was there, no? Admin
In videos available.
admin videos.
Yes, sir. Lost. Yeah. That's-
So we do select other file.
No, sir.
The file.
Oh, yeah, copied Excel.
Yeah. Let's keep the source variable as true. Select the it is the variable. What is it? Source underscore file underscore. Our destination path is, so destination is also a variable. So I'm making it as true and giving the variable name. And here it is asking whether you want to override destination or not. What does it mean is if that path, if that new folder is already having if the new folder is having a name, having a file with the same name, what do you want to do? You just want to overwrite it, or you just don't want to do anything?
Okay.
So I'm making it as true. I want the file to be overwritten. Okay. I want
Okay.
the old file which is already available with the same name to be overwritten. I'm making it as true. Just click on OK. Access to path is denied. The city is an admin folder, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe let's change this. So I'm copying.
Here our agenda is we are copying a file from one folder to another folder.
Yes.
Okay. Whether it may be whatever may be the file, na, sir.
So not whatever. So we have said here we have taken a particular fact, right? Whatever may be the file, be it a CSV text or
Means, I
anything.
mean, what
Yeah.
do I mean to say is whether extension would be whatever.
Yeah. Any file,
Test
it can be any
or
file.
Excel.
Yeah,
Or
can be any file. files. In the given
Take as text file, sir. Yes.
not text file. See here, the format, destination format itself is not correct.
Okay.
Try to cut, everything is going. Copying it there, where it is going.
This variable we should configure in the source file system task manager.
Oh, we can create a variable there, or we can create a variable here and we can use that.
Okay.
We can use it both the ways. Is fine. Where is that? New exercise.
I think characters maybe it's
Not fine.
come to here source on path. ఇది సోర్స్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి సార్ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ సోర్స్
దాంట్లో ఉందా? Okay.
ఇక్కడ మనము వేరియబుల్ సోర్స్ పాత్ తీసుకున్నాం ఫైల్
ఎక్కడ?
ఇది డెస్టినేషన్ ప్లేస్ లో మనం సోర్స్ తీసుకున్నట్టున్నాం ఐ థింక్.
ఎక్కడ?
ఓకే సోర్స్ ఫైల్ పాత్ డెస్టినేషన్. ఓకే ఇది పైన ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ అనేది ఉంది సార్, అందులో మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాము ఓకే అది కన్ఫిగర్
ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఎర్రర్?
ఇది ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ అనేది ఈ కాపీ ఫైల్ టాస్క్ అనేది అక్కడ నుంచి ప్రాసెస్ జరుగుతుంది కదా సార్ ఇది. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి సోర్స్ ఇది ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ అనేది. అక్కడ నుంచి ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ మనం డెస్టినేషన్ కదా సార్ ఇది కన్ఫిగర్ చేయాల్సింది ఇందులో కాపీ ఫైల్ టాస్క్ అనేది ఉంది కదా సార్.
కాపీ ఫైల్ ఉంది.
అందులో మనం డెస్టినేషన్ న్యూ SSIS అనే ఫోల్డర్లోకి మనం ఫైల్ని కాపీ చేస్తున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ డెస్టినేషన్ కూడా ఇచ్చారని
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు చెప్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి కదా సార్ కంట్రోల్ ఫ్లోలో.
కంట్రోల్ ఫ్లోలో ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ ఉంది.
అందులో మనం సోర్స్ కన్ఫిగర్ చేయాలి కదా సార్.
ఎందులో సోర్స్ కన్ఫిగర్ చేయలేదు?
ఈ ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్
సార్ చూపించిన ఇందులోనే ఎందుకు చేయాలి
అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచే కదా సార్. అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ సోర్స్ ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేసి డెస్టినేషన్
ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? ఆపరేషన్ ఏం తీసుకున్నాం?
ఓకే ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఆపరేషన్ క్రియేట్ డైరెక్టరీ. ఓకే ఇక్కడ ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం.
ఇది వేరే ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్.
ఓకే సార్. ఇందులో రెండు సోర్స్ అండ్ డెస్టినేషన్ ఇందులోనే కన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తున్నాం మనం. ఓకే సార్. ఆపరేషన్ కాపీ ఫైల్ ఐ థింక్ మూవ్ ఫైల్ పెడితే అవుతుందమ్మా.
మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటి?
కాపీ కదా. ఓకే మూవ్ అంటే అక్కడ నుంచి డిలీట్ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే గుడ్. సోర్స్
Let me try creating navigation. My system it is executed. My system it is executed. I don't know why. Let me share my screen.
Okay.
See my screen?
Yes, sir.
Here, my thing is successfully executed. Stop it.
Here you are taking from this controls, okay.
So here I have created two variables. Okay, one is source file path, another one is destination file path. Okay.
Okay.
So the source variable path I have set it as true. And source variable will be source variable file path. That is this one. And for the destination file path also I have taken is variable. So
Yeah.
I'm taking that also from variable. Okay.
Okay.
And the variable is the destination path.
Okay.
I want to overwrite the destination. If there is already a file with the same name, so it will just overwrite that. Okay.
Okay.
And what operation I'm taking here is copy file task. Okay. Just click on OK. So this XLS file you see, right? So
Yeah.
this is the file I'm trying to copy. I'm trying to copy it into this location. Okay. So just now it has copied. I'll delete this. So it is executed. Now in my destination path, I have the folder here. I have the file, required file. See, 1457. Okay.
Yeah.
Here. So I think you just you try to recreate the file system task again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Might work. Okay.
Here in the destination, what we have created a new SSIS now, sir, destination. ఆ ఫోల్డర్ లోకి కాపీ చేయాలంటే ఆ పాత్
నువ్వు ఏ ఫోల్డర్ లో కాపీ చేయాలో ఆ ఫైల్ అక్కడ ఆ పాత్ ఇవ్వాలి నువ్వు.
ఓకే.
ఓకే.
ఇది కాపీ చేసాను.
సో ఇంకొక టాస్క్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ మనకున్నది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ప్రాసెస్ టాస్క్.
ఇప్పుడు నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాల్సింది ఇది ఒక్కటే కదా సార్?
అదొకటే చేయొచ్చు.
కాపీ ఫైల్ టాస్క్ అనేది మాత్రమే నేను ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి. అది
Hmm.
ఫైల్ సిస్టమ్ టాస్క్ అనేది ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకూడదు కదా సార్? అది కనెక్షన్ తీసేయాలేమో.
దాంతో ఏం కనెక్షన్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఏమి ఇబ్బంది అండి. నువ్వు తీసినా ట్రై చేయి.
ఓకే. ఈ కనెక్షన్ తీసేస్తే ఓకే అయింది సార్ అది. కాపీ అయింది సార్ అది.
ఓకే.
అంటే కనెక్షన్ తీసేయాలి సార్ అది పైన.
కనెక్షన్ వల్ల ఏమి ఇబ్బంది అండి, ఎందుకంటే మనం రియల్ టైం కనెక్షన్స్ ఇవ్వాల్సి ఉంటుంది దానికి. బట్ కానీ మనం డిఫరెంట్ టాస్క్ వాడేటప్పుడు దీన్ని లాస్ట్ లో ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఆర్కైవ్ సమ్ ఫైల్స్, ద సోర్స్ ఫైల్స్, సో మనం డేటా ఫ్లో టాస్క్ తర్వాత వీటికి కనెక్షన్ ఇస్తాం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అబౌట్ కనెక్షన్. I'm trying to show you some, zipping and unzipping. I think you have the executable for that. So here what we are trying to do is we are using here execute process task. Okay. So, this particular execute process task will be used to run some executable files like .csv files or .batch files. So we will be having different types of files, right? So we will be using them to run all those things. So if you see here, so we have, so these are all different types of executables. So you see here, right? .py. So that is a Python file that is an executable. .batch file. .bat is the extension. Okay, and similarly we have for our regular applications. So .exe is the extension. Those are also executable files. Okay. To run those executables, so we will be using execute process task. Okay. If you want to run your Python script, okay. Let's say you have some Python script which has the extension of py. So you want to execute that particular script. So you can make use of this execute process task. Or you want to run an application. We have some different exe files right here. This is a exe file, exe file, this is an exe file, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to run those executable files, you can make use of this execute process task. Okay. Okay. So right now in our scenario, by using one of those, one of the kind of executable file, we will be trying to zip and unzip some files. Okay.
Okay.
Here. Execute process tools. We'll zip this. So if you go to process tab here, so it will have different options. So you can make use of different things. The first thing you have to give is, okay, go to the executable. Here you have to pass the path of the executable which you want to use here. So in my case, if I want to do some zip and unzipping, so I need a zipping tool, so which is 7-zip. Okay. This 7-zip is a tool or an application which will be used to unzip or zip files. Okay. So here I want to give that location of that zip file.
Means if we want to run any execution tasks, then we use a execute process task.
Yes. I'm not sure which one to use. Okay, let's try the first one. Just click on open. So if you see here, that path of the executable is
Executable
available
file.
here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the arguments, you have to pass the arguments here. So what are the arguments? So you have to give the new path and the name of the zip file. Okay,
Okay.
that is the first argument. The second argument is the file which you want to zip. Okay, first argument is the path and the file name of the zip. Okay, and the second argument is the file which you want to zip. Clear?
Yeah. Um,
So in my case, so what I'm trying to do here is, so I'm trying to zip this particular file. Okay, this particular file is a writers underscore test. I want to zip this file. Okay,
it means it may.
it will zip this particular file. Like how
Okay.
we do. So like usually we'll do a zip like this, right? So a zip is created, compressed zip folder. Okay. So this will be created. So usually we will be doing multiple files into a zip folder, but here I'm trying to do zip only one file. Okay?
We can make multiple files also.
Yes. Here my location is Caesar. I'm trying to name the zip thing. So the extension would be .zip. Okay. So and SSH zip file is the file name of that zip file. Okay. Here.
Yes.
And here you have to pass the file name. The file name. And here I want to, we have to give the working directory in which folder this process has to take place. Okay.